The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to move files from your Google Drive into the correct folders. There are a few different options for moving your files into folders. The first option is to click on the file using 2 fingers or a right click. Then click on Move To and select the folder you'd like to put it in. Then click on Move. That's option 1. A second option is to click on the file that you'd like to move and drag it to the folder you want to put it in. A third option is to press Ctrl and A on your keyboard at the same time. This will select all of the files on the page that you're looking at, including the folders. To unselect the folders, press Ctrl on your keyboard and unclick each folder. This will leave it so that the only thing highlighted still are your files. This is a super helpful method when you're just taking everything in your Google Drive and moving it into a folder labeled old or something along those lines. So now I have all of my documents selected. I'm just going to click and drag them into the folder I want them in. And this might take a few minutes for them to load into that folder because I just dragged 40 files in there, but they will be there if I give it a second. When you're done cleaning up your Google Drive, you should only be looking at folders. Every file should be in a folder when you're on the main page of Google Drive. It should look a lot like mine does.